Hello, students. Sorry I couldn't be with you today, but just wanted to quickly run through our lesson um, and then let you get to work on your outline. You should be working independently on your outline today. Make sure um, that you get your warm up done. That is a quiz on the essay terms that we discussed yesterday. Today is December 7th. And our objective is that you will be able to select your organization method and develop key components of your essay. Again, reminder, our overall assignment for the essay is to write a paper addressing the question, how does Scrooge's character transform over the course of the play? You should have completed your thesis yesterday. However, I know a lot of you did not get that far. If you have not completed your thesis statement, that is the first thing you should do before continuing to your outline. You should be able to get your outline done either way. The thesis is just one sentence. It is a very important sentence, but you should be able to get that done and then continue working on the outline and get that done today. The rough draft will be due on Friday. The rubric. We discussed this yesterday, but I wanted to go over it again. The paper is out of 100 points. You should aim to meet all the criteria in the 20-point column that would get you the full 100 points. That means that you would have an introduction that includes a strongly developed hook and thesis, has at least 6 pieces of evidence from the text that strongly support the thesis, uses precise and varied transition words and phrases, provides a well-developed summarization of the body paragraphs, and strongly solidifies the thesis, and correct grammar, spelling, punctuation, and capitalization. However, if you cannot meet all of these criteria, you can still do well on this assignment, as you can tell from the other columns. Even if you turn in your best effort, you will get 8 points on those criteria. To the outline, which is our main focus today. This picture here does not show the full sheet that you have. It only shows the first cause and effect. You have 2 more on your sheet for a total of 6 pieces of evidence, 1 for each cause and effect. As I stated, you need to make sure you do the thesis statement first if you don't have that done. It's 1 sentence. It is the foundation of the rest of your paper, so you need to do that first. You also should be making the decision today whether you're going to organize by importance or chronological. Chronological is the sequence or the order in which things take place in the story or according to the timeline. The order of importance looks at the impact on Scrooge. So which cause had the largest or most impactful effect? You could start with the most impact and work to the least impact, or start with the least impact and work towards the most impact. But the idea is that you're looking at the importance or impact of the effect rather than the order based on the timeline in the story. Once you've got that done, we're going to start selecting the different pieces of evidence or sections of the story which you will use for your cause and effect. You can either start with the evidence. That may be the easiest way to pick the pieces of the story you want to use as cause 1, effect 1, They should be related. It should be what is the cause that leads to this effect for all three cause and effect relationships. Then, after you have that, come over here and develop your reasoning. Why does this cause and effect support the thesis? Add this into your own words. All right? These are your ideas. These are either a direct quote or a paraphrase from the text. Okay? You should be able to get this done today. If you have questions, either message me or email me, and I will try to get back to you as soon as I can. I will check these when I return to the classroom. Have a great day.